Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Zaina with Zaina's Fine Interiors, and today's video about how to paint furniture. I start with my base coat of Mermaid tail from DIY Paint. Not sure about the style I want for the desk, so here I'm gonna try two different ones. First, I'm gonna add my second layer, which is Kissing Booth from DIY Paint, and keep spraying it with water. The water bottles, you can buy them from Amazon or Sally's Beauty Supply. On the other side, I'm going to try the dry brush technique. Test number 3, I'm going to try blending my two colors. Since DIY paint is a clay base, usually it will look different when it dries, but you're gonna love the results because the colors will not look like the way they are right now. And we have a winner. After trying two different techniques on the desk, I think I'm gonna settle on the blending technique. I think it will give it a very calm and nice look, especially using these two colors, the Kisses Booth, I think it's Kisses Booth. The Kissing Booth and the Mermaid Tail. When you blend it together, you're gonna get a little bit purplish color in the middle, and I like these three colors. So I'm just gonna settle on this one, and we're gonna see how the desk will look at the end. So for the final technique, I'm gonna use 3 different brushes. One for the turquoise, one for the pink, one for blending. And if you see, the blending brush looks a little bit purplish, and that's what happens when you mix your colors. If you feel like there's a lot of paint on your brush, just wipe it on paper towel or cloth, clean it. If you feel your paint is a little bit drying, just a small spray from your bottle will fix everything. using mist, I can't pronounce it. Using the mist spray, it will definitely reactivate your paint so you can blend or add a little bit more color. It depends on how you want it. I really want it to see like pink, then a little bit purple since you're blending kind of blue and red or blue and pink. Then I want it to see the bright color, which is the mermaid tail. I added a little bit gold wax on the details and I sealed my piece with natural wax. I don't settle on the look once I'm done with it. If I'm not convinced with the look, I'll redo it before I post it online or on social media. Oh my god, I'm sorry, I don't know what's wrong with me. I'm sorry guys. So yes, I did probably change the look 3 times because I wasn't convinced. So now I love the results. I really like it. I'm using the desk. The desk is for me, not for sale. So I mixed 3 colors perfect, just like the way I wanted them. Please let me know in comments if you have any questions, or visit my Facebook page at Zaina's Fine Interiors and my dog doesn't stop crying. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like my video. Thank you.